Welcome to Dr. Derma AI. Get ready for a satisfying acne transformation.
In this video, we are observing a professional skincare procedure focused on acne and clogged pores treatment. At the beginning, the skin shows visible signs of acne, which is often caused by excess oil production, dead skin buildup, bacteria, and clogged pores. This is a very common skin condition that affects many people worldwide. As the procedure begins, the main goal is to carefully clean and extract the impurities trapped inside the pores. This process must be done in a controlled and hygienic environment to avoid skin damage or infection. During the treatment, we can see how different types of acne lesions are being addressed. Each extraction helps reduce pressure inside the skin and allows the pores to gradually clear. It is important to understand that acne is not only a surface problem. It can also be influenced by internal factors such as hormones, stress, diet, and skincare habits. As the video continues, we notice a gradual improvement in the skin's appearance. The inflammation decreases and the skin starts to look cleaner and more balanced. However, it is very important to mention that improper handling of acne at home can lead to scarring, infection, or worsening of the condition. That is why dermatologists always recommend professional treatment or proper skincare routines. Now we are reaching the final stage of the procedure, where the skin appears significantly cleaner compared to the beginning of the video. After treatment, proper aftercare is essential. This includes gentle cleansing, hydration, and avoiding harsh products that may irritate the skin. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, aimed at raising awareness about acne treatment and proper skincare practices.